Yeah?
My girl, you know you think fat, so me keep loving that. Beat your pussy up, make it keep coming back. Love her.
Boom, boom, boom! What's good, YouTube? It's a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, straight out of Jamaica. Now we're here with Prince Swanny, Catch 20 Few. Now, from I reacted to the first Prince Swanny song, which was, I think it was Formula, like all the Trinidad people be saying, yo, Catch 22, or the girls are gonna have, I don't know. But you guys know that I'm very busy. I do a 9-to-5 job, plus I do YouTube. And I want to transition to YouTube only. So get me to 10,000 subscribers. Please subscribe to the channel if you all are new. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers, so you might want to subscribe now. Comment on this video to see your comment over there in the next video. Comment some more Trinidad Dancehall songs you want me to check out. Now, let's see what's going on for this song. For the most lit music with the reactions and reactions on a whole and the entertainment on a whole, let it the right place, guys. I can't stop saying enough, yo. We need to hit 10k subscribers before the year finishes. We're going to do it with God's help and your help, of course. So please subscribe and touch the bell. Yo, I'm not even saying no more. Prince Swanny, Catch 20 Few. Let's get straight to the video right now. Right now. Right now. Alright, right now. Ooh, that girl look good.
Kelly on the beat, boy.
Say she all about the G.
Yeah.
Me. G.
Yeah.
My girl, you know you think fat, so me keep loving that. Beat the pussy up, make it keep coming back. Love her.
Hold on. My girl, know you think fat. What? Beat it up. What? Run back in that song, Prince Swanny. Run
Pussy up, make it keep coming back. Love how you flexible like a acrobat.
Yeah.
When you rest upon the dime, me watch your body clap. Say she all about the G, not another one.
Yeah.
All when me fool a girl like Solomon.
Yeah.
She asks me, where me girl gone? Listen when me answer the girl question. She says she have a man, me have a girl too.
Def. Hold on, it's a steady sexy little song for the girls them, you see me? Say she have a man, me have a girl too. What? My girl, you know, see a thing, fat. Beat up, make it keep coming back. Hold on there, Trinidad. I'm gonna say, yo, wants to be a Trinidad flag in the comment section right now. Run tune. Not even that. If you come from the Caribbean and the whole, just drop your Caribbean flag. Drop your country flag. You see me, I say, run tune.
The girl say she have a man, me have a girl too. That's you. Say she have a man, me have a girl
too. Yeah.
My girl, she no need me. Why you just don't believe me?
Yeah.
Ay, watch her now, ay. The girl say she have a man, me have a girl too.
Alright.
Ay, ay. The girl say she have a man, me have a girl too.
Come on, man.
That's you. Say she have a man, me have a girl too. My girl, she no need me. Why you just don't believe me?
You lose me a while ago, dog. Me a wait, dog. Yo, John was star. John was star, dog. You know how they say wait, dog. Come on, no, dog. Song bad still in about. John, no, dog. Never have to say that so much time, dog. Run through.
Girl, tell me that you want me in there.
Yeah.
Baby girl, rest upon the king there.
Def.
By my cocky head where she have to sing with.
What?
Man a bad man, be no put a ring there.
Yeah.
Say she want more and more.
Yeah.
Say she want more and more.
Okay.
Say she want more and more and more and
More and more and more.
Say we nah done. Girl, I get the cocky and she want run.
Run. Bomb. Yeah. That we are wait pan, dog. Yeah. But that's the shit of my girl too part the dog. It just threw me off a while ago, but I catch up with the vibes now. Run tune.
Belly like gun. Say she pussy on the fire and a bone.
Nice
pretty girl, I want me like it. Ride by my cocky like it in a Viking. Got me tired of the cussing and the fighting. Every single light inside the Air Force striking. Watch her now. She says she have a man.
Never girl too.
The girl says she have a man.
Yo, that's skip the chorus of that. It's chorus a 3 long, dog. Nah, I'm gonna lie. From lying, I'm dying.
Why you just don't believe me? Watch her now, hey, hey. The girl say she have a man, me have a girl. Me have a girl too. My girl, she don't when me come inside it. She love how me strike it. Beat up the pussy, could that's where we fight it.
Yeah.
No
But dogs and beat up the pums. Beat up the pums. Could have swear them fighting. Oh, glad Prince Swanny, George.
So you me like it, nice, pretty, skin smooth. That I make this take down intro.
Deaf.
And the groom say we nah done. Girl I get the cocky and she want
run.
Bustin' and she belly like gun. Pussy and a fire and a bone. Nice pretty girl I with me like it. Cocky in a bike it. She says she have a man, me have a girl too.
Alright, that's how you get the pass. You get the pass.
She have a man, girl, she no need
the pass.
me.
Yo, let me ask you, if you see if you come from Trinidad or anywhere in the Caribbean, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to the Reaction Boss channel and help me reach 10,000 subscribers. Alright? Please, that's the aim, that's the goal for this year. Please touch the bell and subscribe to get notified every time I post a video. And another way which you can help me if you already subscribed, just like the video and make sure you leave at least 1, 2 or 3 comments on the video. So you to recommend it to we all heap of people, make people running in on the thing. Because we are grinding, and you can see me working. For the ones that my subscribe I have one when you know, trust me. I post every day and I still have a 9 to 5 job, dog. And you to want to do now. That's how you so consistent with the thing, you know. Yo, just subscribe to the channel, dog. We are grind feet, we are work feet. We need it. We are go feet. We are go. I'm out.